Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 5 of programming in CSS3, CSS comments. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer. So we gotta go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, search for the application, text edit, open this up and then Command S to save. Go to Documents, My YouTube channel, CSS3 tutorials, create a new folder called CSS Comments, create, save the file name as index.htm, save, yes, use.htm, increase the size of the text edit file, increase the font size. And now we are ready to start programming in HTML5, CSS3, and then use comments. Before we do that, comments are used to explain the code and may help you to edit the source code at a later date. Comments are ignored by browsers. A CSS comment starts with /* and then ends with */. So that itself is just for CSS commenting. If we are commenting in HTML5, we can use less than, ! --, then your code, and then -- greater than. So bring in the HTML code, less than, ! doc type HTML. So that itself defines the document type. Bring in the HTML tags. Defines the HTML document. Bring in head and body. Head will define information about the document. The body defines the document body. And now go into the body and type your HTML code. So this is a paragraph. P less than /p. Before this, we could have added this is a heading. We'll do that now. So that itself is now completed. We can have the external style sheet, but for this tutorial, we will be using the internal style sheet. Add your element, style, less than /style. Add your CSS within this. P, curly brace, color red. Semicolon, curly brace, Command S to save. Go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder, Documents, My YouTube channel, CSS3, Tutorials, Comments, index.htm. Decrease the size of the web browser, minimize Finder, decrease the size of the text edit file so we can then work on both windows at the same time and see what is happening in real time. So now we have edited the index.htm, added in the style, the CSS. Now we can see this is a paragraph has changed to red. Now, to make use of comments, go back to index.htm before P, curly brace, color red, add in /*, This is a single line comment. And then asterisk, again, slash. Command S to save, go back to the web browser, right click, reload the page, and what do we have? Comments will be ignored by the browsers. We are able to add comments anywhere we would like. Highlight, cut, insert after red. Command S to save, go back to the web browser, right click, reload the page. The comments will be ignored by browsers. We can also comment on multiple lines. If we take the comment, highlight, cut, insert it to where it was beforehand, change single to multi, this is a multi-line comment, all on a new line. Go back to the web browser, right click, reload the page. Comments will be ignored by browsers. So we can quit Safari, quit text edit. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys on my next tutorial. Thanks for now.